What's up, YouTube? It's the Country CEO back in the house again, man. Look, more game, and more game. That's right. Welcome back to the channel, subscribers, family, and friends. Got some more game for you on this morning. Look, I want to talk about keeping good maintenance records, right? Keeping good maintenance records. Several reasons why you need to do that and how it can be beneficial, all right? And so I don't have mines in my hand, but basically I just took a regular 5-subject notebook. I got 5 trucks, right? And so all I do is just that in that little section of the 5-subject notebook, I go in every time I'm doing something to a truck. Guess what? I'm writing it down. All changes, the mileage, the date, right? Any other little things that go on with that truck, I'm writing that stuff down, right? All right, so what is that? So that's number one. So get you basically 5-subject notebook. Ain't nothing overly extensive or a creative genius need to be do about this. It's simple stuff, right? All right, and so 5-subject notebook, make a section for each truck. Every time you do something to the truck, write that stuff down, right? So here's how they can be beneficial. Number one, you get ready to resell the truck. The person may ask for maintenance records. Guess what? You got some. You can show them. You can give them, that section that's for that particular truck and show it to them where you changed all on time, all of the different things you did, right? Or if they don't want it, they don't ask for maintenance record. You still could go through and say, hey, look, man, here you go. Or you can say, hey, man, here's a list of things I can tell you over the phone that I've done to the truck and dates and stuff like that, right? So it helps with your resale. But then number two, it helps to stay coordinated and up to date, right? It'll help you to stay on task with what needs to be done, what may need to be coming up. Because one of the things I do, and this is game right here, is that because I watch over my trucks and I'm looking at all the trucks and seeing what's going on, I write little things down. This is what? 831. So I might say 831, we'll need brake job in about 2 months, 828 here. May need front flotation tire here in 2 months, that kind of stuff. And what it does, it helps you to remind you actually of things that are going to be coming up, right? And so good maintenance records, just like any other good records, they help you out in a tremendous way. So that's 2 ways that having maintenance records can keep you on task, right? Keep you up to date on your maintenance and stuff on time. Will help with your resale. Someone wants to see what all you've done with the truck, right? All right. And then number 3, I'm going to give you maintenance records help with the longevity of your trucks. I believe that having kept good records ensures that you've done these things, right? And that you have put due diligence in into ensuring your investments. These are investments. These are assets. These are tools that make money, right? And so maintenance records help to ensure that you've done what you needed to do for the asset to keep doing what it's supposed to do. Did you get that, right? Short video, that's all I got for you. Get maintenance records. Or should I say keep maintenance records. Simple 5-subject notebook, 1-subject notebook, depending on how many trucks you got. You'll be glad that you did. Country CEO, hit the like, hit the subscribe, notification bell. I'm out of here. I'm gone.